everyone, I just picked up the new Tesla Model Y Juniper last month and decided to go with Hansshow for my first carbon fiber piece that I'm going to install in my car. Alright, let's get game in. I got my Hansshow carbon fiber spoiler for the Tesla Model Y Juniper. Let's check it out. Be sure to use this coupon code below for 20% off, and I'll also post the links in the description. So it looks like the packaging comes here with looks like some tape, double-sided tape, some instructions, and there's the actual carbon fiber piece. And it looks like it already has the double-sided tape on it too. Let's open this up. I got the gloss carbon fiber. All right, let's check out the packaging on here. It came with looks like kind of like painter's tape, but masking tape to help align it. Comes with extra double-sided tape just in case. And we got an instructional video right here. And then we got a sticker for up and down. Let's check out the actual carbon fiber piece here. Wow, this is really beautiful. So this is actually dry molded carbon fiber. Wow, this looks really good. So let's go ahead and see and imagine how this is going to mount on here. I really like the step in the lip right here. Kind of reminds me of the Model 3 Performance carbon fiber wing. There we go. Boom. So that's the trick to it. You got to figure out exactly where it's going to mount, and then you're going to mask it from that point. Just has that really nice aggressive looking lines on that spoiler. Such a beautiful piece. The biggest thing first is you got to prep. You got to prep your site. Make sure you clean it well. I already cleaned mine as best as I could. You want to use a 50-50 alcohol and water solution on here. Get up all of that oil contaminants so that it's going to want to adhere to this double-sided tape. All right. So again, we're going to go ahead and mount this to exactly where we want it. Make sure it's equidistant from both sides. And then you're going to want to mark it with the supplied masking tape, and as well as that up and down sticker. So there we go. I like to just double check my measurements by using any kind of measurement. Like for example, if I have this piece right here, it's about right there. All right, that's pretty perfect to me. There we go. And then we're just going to use this as a guide. Right there. That way we know how far down to go. Let's use some of the masking tape to help facilitate this guide as well too. So I'm just going to rip a few pieces and just mark it. One right there. One right there. Okay, I'm doing a wet application. I'm applying some alcohol and water so that it can give me some leeway to slide across. All right, first thing we gotta do is we gotta line our corners, right? Make sure that we're centered. All right, looks like we're on. This is it, got the right spot. So now we're gonna push hard. There we go. We're exactly where our mark is right there, perfect. Got a good mark right there. Right here too, good. Okay, let's go and wipe off the excess. Okay, I could take off this tape here. after this is I would ceramic coat this glossy carbon fiber. Even though it is glossy, it doesn't hurt to put another additive layer of a ceramic coat just to make it last longer out in the sun. That's my installation and review of the Hansshow carbon fiber spoiler for the new Tesla Model Y Juniper. Comment below what modification do you want me to review and install in my car. Maybe a carbon fiber body kit, motorized roof shade. Anyway, don't forget to use the coupon code below. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.